Remember the pictures. I haven't did this in a long time. Basically breaking down from an event. I'm fucking pooped. Like, I'm tired as hell. Don't talk about how I'm rapping these wires, but I done DJ 3-4 times. This was outside. I have to clean my wires. I'm tired. I'm getting to where I'm tired. This weekend, after filming for Crucial, went to work on set like DJ'd in Pensacola, got a room, rested a little bit, not really. DJ for 11 here. After the event ended at 2 something. It was fun. It was definitely fun. I enjoyed myself. Shout out to the other DJ. Just Wine Jordan. You know what I'm saying? So down the second set. He used the babes. You know what I'm saying? She got a little double action.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That niggas.
Body poetry was beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Through our eyes. Dance for social change. You know what I'm saying? I be doing stuff with my life. Because I'm slowly working my way to having to replace or fix or find uses for things. I mean, I've been banging with this stuff for a long time. I basically bought most of the stuff at the beginning of said career.
And I'm on the block right now, and your bike on the stop right now. Cause we came to turn it up, now say it's a massacre.
But you may not know how long creeping DJing, you know what I'm saying? It's a long journey. I'm obviously gonna have to have my how I became a DJ story. So that's coming soon. Life is crazy, and when life get crazy, you know what I'm saying? Just keep going. So shit get crazy. So crazy. I gotta keep it. I guess I'm not gonna like pack the stuff. So see you on a second.